These are our mode and mean notes. So both of these are ways to summarize our data. So we're going to have a bunch of numbers and we're going to use them to create these different type of summary notes. So the mode is the number that occurs the most often in our data set. So how you're going to find the mode? You're going to count the number of times each number appears. You're going to circle the number that occurs the most, and that's your mode. So that's all we got to do here. So, practice questions. Each day after school, you count how many trucks drive by your house. Below are the trucks you counted. 5, 8, 3, 7, 8, 10, 8. And I want to know the mode. So again, the mode is the number that's typed the most. So I just go back and check. This 5, there's only 1. 8, there's 3. 3, there's 1. 7 has 1, we did 8, and there's 1, 10. So the number that occurred the most is 8. Second problem. Ms. Ruprecht was looking at your class averages this week. Below are the class averages. So we have 92 97s, 2 98s, and only 1 92. So if we're looking for the number that occurs or if we're looking for the mode, we're looking for the number that occurs the most. But there seems to be a problem here, because what do you notice about 97 and 88? There's 2 of both of them. So you can actually have 2 modes. So both 97 and 88 occur the most. So mode does have this special rule. We're talking about modes. You can have no mode, you can have 1 mode, or you can have multiple modes. So this is the only vocab word in this unit where you can have multiple. So it's the only summary that has more than 1 answer possible. The next summary type we're going to focus on today is the mean. The mean is a fancy way of saying the average of the numbers in your data set. So I like to think about this as your grade. Your grades are an average of what you get. And so that's kind of what we're going to look at right now. So there's still only 2 steps. Step 1, we're going to add all of the numbers in the set. And then step 2, we're going to divide the sum, or the answer, by how many numbers are in the set. So I'm going to explain that here a little bit better. So practice question 1 says, what was the average number of trucks you saw? So this is actually going to go back up at the top where we were talking about the trucks. So we have, I'm going to zoom out so I can do this a little better. We have 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got them all. Okay, so 5 plus 8 is 13. 3 plus 7 is 10. 8 plus 10 is 18. Plus 8 on the end. 13 plus 10 is 23. 18 plus 8 is 26. So we have a total of 49. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. And 49 divided by 7 means your average was 7 trucks. The second example is going back up to Miss Ruprecht's class, and we're trying to find the mean or the average of her scores. So we have 97 plus 88 plus 92, I think. Yep. Plus 88 plus 97. So again, I do my math step by step, but you can do it however it works for you. So up first I have 97 plus 88. That's going to equal 185 plus 92. And again, 88 plus 97 is 185. So then 185 plus 92 equals 277. And that plus 185 is going to equal 462. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. And 462 divided by 5 equals a class average of 92.4. Put a review for this video. Okay, mode is the number that occurs the most. So it's a way to summarize your data by just looking at how often the numbers occur. Mean is a way to summarize your data by finding the average. So this is we're going to add them up and divide. This is probably the one that's the most real world. We find the average a lot. Average speed, average distance, average grade, average attendance. So this is probably the one you're going to need the most.